Unilever Food Solutions has a growing database of delicious recipes, especially developed for aged care menus. To explore our range of recipes, go to ufs.com. In this video, we'll show you how to best search for recipes in 3 different ways. The first way to search for recipes is to select Recipes from the top navigation menu of our homepage. Using the recipe filter system on the left-hand side of the screen, you can search for meals based on type of venue, main ingredient, dish type, meal, and cuisine. You can use one or more filters to refine your search. Here is a demonstration of how it works. From type of venue, select Aged Care. This will show all recipes suitable for aged care menus. You can refine your search further by choosing a main ingredient, such as poultry. You now have all aged care poultry recipes available in the database. You can then refine your search further by selecting a dish type. We will choose curries and stir fry. This will bring up all poultry curry dishes available on our website. You can filter your search even further by selecting the cuisine type, such as Indian, as well as the kind of meal you want to cook, for example, main meals. You can also untick your selections to include more recipes. Select your recipe to view the ingredients and method for cooking. You can easily set the number of serves you need to automatically adjust the amount of ingredients required. The second way to find a recipe is to use the search feature on the website. Type a recipe name in the search bar on our homepage. For example, chicken curry. Then choose chicken curry in recipes from the search bar options. You can then select recipes from the search results. And the third way to access our recipes is through our free downloadable recipe booklets. You'll find them in the Aged Care Refresh section. Go to Aged Care Refresh in the Chef Inspiration menu and select Recipe Booklets. The booklets are organised by meal type, food theme or dining event. They're free to download and can be printed out and included into your own recipe books. Each recipe comes with a high-quality image to display on your menu and contains nutritional information which is important for your dietitian's approval. Finally, when you find a recipe that you like, you'll be able to save it to your favourites to refer to any time you need by clicking on the heart next to that recipe. Make sure you sign up for an account to be able to use this feature. Add ufs.com to your bookmarks folder so you can easily come back whenever you need.